Hello everybody. Hello everybody. How's it going? It's Zach here. Wait a second. What's that? We have stumbled upon the. Oh, no! We have stumbled upon the beast.
The kitty cat.
It's a gray fat kitty cat. These things are extremely rare. And endangered. Oh no, it's running away.
No.
It really likes to be pet like a cat, but it's a rare type of cat.
My kitty.
See if we can find any other kind of cats.
Hey, looky, I'm holding the beast.
See if we can. No, this looks like a place where a Sir Fluffins type would be found.
Hey,
But
look.
he seems not to be here right
I'm
now.
holding the beast.
She captured the beast. It's like, let me down.
Just like, let me down, please.
Oh, just drop me. Dude,
I know you're landing.
oh my god, it's a wild Christmas tree!